Hi there, welcome to the kitchen pharmacy. Today we are going to make a super fiber savory pancake. Do you like pancake? Now roll your sleeve and let's do it. Leave the onions and garlic to saute, then add the red cabbage. Turn them together, then next add the bell pepper and chili. Then allow them to cook. Add salt, Himalaya salt, and cumin. Allow them to sizzle in high heat. Next, we add the carrots with their vibrant orange color. Turn them together and allow them to give time to cook together. How will I forget my 3-in-1 spice? So I added my seasoning, turmeric, black pepper, and ginger combo. When they are ready, you take it out of the fire and we prepare the next batch. Add 2 cups of oats into a bowl. Now break in 4 whole eggs, organic. Forget the sugar crash. This is how we make pancake for the next generation of champions. Here we add the stir fry to it and whisk all together to form our batter. No flour, no fillers, just pure high fiber oil. With this kiddie frying pan, I'm making them into perfect handheld kiddie sizes. These are savory, satisfying, and incredibly filling. It is state health at its absolute best. Cook one side and flip to the other side when it's ready and look at them. Oh my god, what do you think? Amazing. Now we continue until we finish the whole batter. Now I'm going to enjoy them with my Femebold tea, the gospel for women. It supports feminine wellness from puberty to postmenopausal. It's a tea that should be in every pantry, in every family. You can open the tea bag and pour into the cup, turn in hot water as I've done, or you put it in the pot and boil for like 10 minutes for it to completely infuse. Now look at my pancake. Wow. Now here is the tea your body is craving for. Snag yours now. Look at other women happy with Femebold. Balancing hormone, relieving stress, helping them sleep well, boosting their immunity, and also helping them shine beauty, which all women craves. And you age backward. Makes you look younger. What are you waiting for? Get a pack now.